Charlie, President John Mahama can't be. Now I say, Bank of Ghana was intervening in the Ghanaian forex market, but now they have withdrawn. The reason I may make a comment where those of you are your beka and answer me beka say World Bank am I a warning say government intervention in the CD stabilization no yente so no na mo be di matem bebre no ene mo hin. You see NDC fo bebre kamia say nimdi abom mo mpre nhwehwe nimdi said the nipa bi no mo ene e preso mo be free wo hia mu no matumi make life etumi aprako yidie mo no ebi mu bekasa mo mpentie nsua nyansem frame mama politics didi money enti ye ka asem a hey mano ye enti na mudi atem. Now the government or the president is saying Bank of Ghana has withdrawn that intervention and no the Ghanaian forex market. The question is, why would the government or why would Bank of Ghana now withdraw? And I believe say omo withdrawal will stem out of instruction from the government, from the president, because we were receiving warnings upon warnings upon warnings to be careful with the way Ghana and the Ghanaian government is intervening in the CD appreciation. And those people are yes so here or mono. Ade ono wati ono mono nya kobi ne momoni bi na wode yem kwan na yere be 3 ne ma 25 omo ye no wa amane ni mu de mu obi adi no omo kodan no anu no odwensa brabo asi. Odwensa brabo asi. Learn, Ghanaians learn. Momian Prince keeping the government on their toes. Now, why would they withdraw if it was a good thing? The thing they were doing was artificial. CD appreciation was not going to be sustained for long. If someone makwaya masidi na ngada momentum by a near cost war or minimum exports, production in near it was not going to be sustainable. Na yebeka mu nimu hwe na atemdie ne anoya ne nsem hunu. Now this is the president himself telling us they have withdrawn the intervention. So what are you also going to say? Shame on you.
Ebusuya obekaya beye 2 weeks ago na mbeka che say World Bank any IMF any krata tintin abrega na ban say omunjai so mo intervene in eye forex no eye dollar no we any ebe kan ya amanfo be di atem kyesenya busenya semketua na endroachi Mahama Asia press no de beto abontin say yes indeed na Bank of Ghana intervene in the dollar no na they say ade o majai. You see ebe kan asema enya say be mislead you but eye de ate ene ede ye bo amane won nti yan no say ebe na catch you say oh this is what is happening now, you need to believe us. See, they have wasted $4 billion just to intervene in the dollar. Now mama no look to say indeed they are doing something, but in real no they are doing nothing. Wasted 4 billion just to manipulate the system. Charlie, yeah, you can't say to ya munji endi. Say we can't say to them ya munji endi. And the dollar no 12 cedis 20 pesos. What I say? Say we can't say to them munji endi. Then you see people insulting us and all those stuffs. But we know what we are talking about. We know what we are talking about. And you say, we know. Say this is what is happening. And this is the information that we have. And that's the reason about Monty Ababe can't say na yate. What I say? Say na yate. And I'm very glad to see this here. Mahama Nankasa Biden. I bet you Magana for the say. Yam be trying to run to them on the cre, and you buy a becatchum. The cre, and you buy a becatchum. I'm telling you. So, Entino say, Ubu Maya, yam fa propaganda, and intro, imbu mine. Propaganda, and intro, yam for imbu mine. And yes, sir, exchange rate no be expose you. When Dr. Baumia said, say, when the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. Know, it was true then and it's true today. Because see, now dollar know what 10 cities. na ekɔ na eba na ekɔ na eba na ekɔ na eba IMF nya be kasa ye pe kim omuja ye na all of a sudden dollar no I think kensia every single day e kosoro every single day e kosoro, and that should tell you something. That should tell you that we are not lying. Yentimi be twa ontro yentimi emba be twa ontro the Arabic culture will be ani enokre. Whatever we come out and tell you, no, enokre. And today you've seen it. Say we never lied to you people. We never lied to you people. And the funny part is that when you look at what is happening currently, you realize that these people are actually no more the diagrache. The arguing diagrache, and it's very good to see no Ghanaians no be brain in tra it's very, very good. You know, basically they can deceive their valuable followers because with them, no, you know, a lot of them see things to be kind of normal and all those stuffs. But Charlie, it's very, very serious. It's very, very serious. And I don't know. But
seriously speaking, me who are there we now me think say be a misreportage. And as a sedo account to be na AS way. But me usually mo no say ampa. And this year by so about BC Rehab Center. I was Ashanti region to treat all my addicted to sports betting. Now you see me so and this year by Sabinya send be womb. Like once NDC government is there any sensible person? Anybody has said or that's so not gonna a womb. Because listen, more when you betting tax a few betting tax now it discourages people from engaging in betting no more buy and when you ostensibly to encourage the youth so among bet when you to promote sports betting. In fact more campaign no most a melbourne until the only source of livelihood for a melbourne is so mobile sports betting. Into mobile when you tax that's why it discourages Melbourne from so mobile engaging in sports betting a free war. More encourage you or more show mukutupa and so munkocha sports betting. Only for you to turn around to say oh kwaku see Rehab Center for my addicted to a sports betting like that. Does it make sense? Does it sound way my Jimmy Anna? Serious so like what kind of stupidity is that? Say sports betting now tax now no discourage you from some mobile engaging in sports betting where you if only to turn around so I could see Rehab Center mom now Mahama I then I won't see a Rehab Center no wobble unko see wo ukrom I then unko see wo voter region stronghold I then I'm unko see wo na asante memo na moko akusi them. This is even an insult and see indirectly almost say asante for normal day sports betting abo modam nti yankonko si sports betting biaye it's about them for biaye ewo asante memu you see asante for ndc for mon famo nya hwe they don't respect you guys and so mo sorry na you know mo tete mo go to aba won ze monto chale
ebusunya wait o mate say you say JDM aban ne say on be Rehab Center ewo Ashanti region dey ama boys no mucha bet no na mo ye serious mo person mo fight against better na nka mo yi betting tax in free o nka mo yi betting tax in free o so we betting tax e free o say na be mo timi twa bet no kra free ama mo MPs ni be kra no e ko gina parliament ko kan say omo youth na omo constituency na ni age because see and bet no omo twa no tax na we twa ho abeka kire say I can't say, or say the impo. Over be see Rehab Center. Over be see Rehab Center. You got to be serious, bro. You people should be very, very serious for once because I don't really understand you guys. Somebody be see Rehab Center. Couple people na want to know why we are still in 2025. Couple people na want to know.